Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Last class, we saw in chapter number 2 Roman numerals, conversion of the Indo-Arabic numbers to Roman numerals. Yes, now we are going to continue that. Before that, we'll revise the sums, and after that, we'll continue the remaining sums. Yes, so the first one is 15. Now we are going to change into Roman numerals. Now 15, how can we write 15? 10 plus 5. 15, 10 plus 5. Now, Roman numeral for 10. You know the Roman numeral for 10, right? X. Very good. Then, what is the Roman numeral for 5? V. Now, add this. X plus V, XV. So, the Roman numeral for 15 is XV. B sum 49. How to write this? 40 plus 9. Shall we write like this? 40 plus 9. Now, Roman numeral for 40. Shall we write 50 minus 10 is 40, right? 50 minus 10 is 40. So, value of 50 is L and value of 10 is X. So, Roman numeral for 40 is XL. XL plus, what is the Roman numeral for 9? IX. IX. So the answer is, add all together, XL, IX. So third one, 305. 305. How to write 305? 300 plus 5. 300 plus 5. Now 300. 100 plus 100 plus 100 is 300, right? So value of 100 plus 100 plus 100. Now tell me, what is the value of, what is the Roman numeral for 100? Yes, C, C, C. So 3C plus, what is the Roman numeral for 5? V. Now add all together. C, 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 V. Clear, children? Next one, 228. So now 200 plus 20 plus 8. 200 plus 20 plus 8. So what is the Roman numeral for 200? C plus C. 100 plus 100 is 200, right? So C, C. C plus C is C, C. 20. X, X plus 8. V, I. Now add all together. C, C, X, X, V, I. So till this we saw last class, right? Now we are going to continue the remaining sums. So E sum 450. 450. How will you write 450? Shall we write in the expanded form? Yes. 400 plus 50 plus 0, right? So no need to write 0. So 400 plus 50. Write in the expanded form first. 400 plus 50. Now we are going to write the Roman numeral for 400. How to write? 400, how to write? 500 minus 100. 500 minus 100. I'm splitting 400 into 500. Minus 100 is 400, right? So 400 is 500 minus 100 plus 50. That 50 I'm writing it down. And what is the value of 500? D, right? So value of Roman numeral for 500 is D. And Roman numeral for 100 is C. D minus C plus, what is the Roman numeral for 50? You are going to tell me the answer. Roman numeral. What is the Roman numeral for 50? Yes, L. Now, what is D minus C? When a smaller symbol is placed before the larger one, you will subtract, right? So, the smaller one is C. So, this will come from and C. So, the value is CD and L. Add all together. CDL is the answer. CDL. I'm repeating it one more time. 450. Write in the expanded form. 400 plus 50. Now split. How will you write 400? is 500 minus 100. 400 is 500 minus 100. That 50, right? Plus 50. Now what is the Roman numeral for 500? You know the Roman numeral for 500, right? So D minus, what is the Roman numeral for 100? C. D minus C plus L plus 50. What is the Roman numeral for 50? L. So how to write D minus C? So CD plus L. Now write all together C D L. Clear, children? Shall we move on to the next one? Yes, F sum 989. 989. Now write in the expanded form 900 plus 80 plus 9. 900 plus 80 plus 9. Now how will you split 900? So you are going to write the Roman numeral for, we don't have the Roman numeral. How to write the Roman numeral for 900? So shall we write like this? Because we know the Roman numeral for 100 and 1000, right? So shall we write like this? 900. 1000 minus 100. 1000 minus 100 is 900, right? So the values which we know, which we are familiar, we can do like this. So 900 we can write as 1000 minus 100. So 900 will come. Plus 80. How will you write? How will you split 80? 50 plus 30. You know the value of 50 and 30, right? 50 plus 30 plus 9. What do you mean by 9? So 10 minus 1 is 9, right? 10 minus 1 is 9. Yes. Now what is the value of 1000? Yes, 1000 value of Roman numeral for 1000 is M. Roman numeral for 1000 is M minus Roman numeral for 100 is C. M minus C plus, what is the Roman numeral for 50? Yes, L plus 30. Roman numeral for 30, 10 plus 10 plus 10. So X, 3X. 30, X plus 10 minus 1 is 9. So Roman numeral for 10 is X minus 1 is I. X minus I. Now M minus C plus L plus X plus X plus X minus I. What is the value of M minus C? Cm, right? So this is the value for 900. If the smaller one is placed before, the smaller symbol is placed before the larger one, you are going to subtract. So it is subtracted. So I am writing the smaller one in front, C in front and M after. Cm. Cm minus C is, you can write as Cm plus, add that LXXX. LXXX plus X minus I. Same. I, it has to be placed in front. That is a smaller symbol. So IX. Now add all together. CM LXXX IX. CM LXXX IX. See, the Roman numeral for 989 is CM LXXX IX. Shall we I am repeating one more time. 900 plus 80 plus 9. 900, how to write 900? 1000 minus 100. 80, 50 plus 30 and 9. 10 minus 1. So Roman numeral for 1000 is M minus Roman numeral for 100 is C. M minus C plus Roman numeral for 50 is L plus 30 XXX plus 10 minus 1. So X minus I. Now M minus C, the value is Cm, because the smaller one is placed before the larger. If the smaller symbol is placed before the larger one, you are going to, then only you can subtract, right? So Cm plus LXXX plus IX. So the answer is, add all together, Cm LXXX IX. Shall we move on to the next one? G1 509. 509. So now split this. 500 plus 0 plus 9. No need to write 0. 500 plus 9. 500 plus 9. You know the value of 500, right? What is the symbol for 500? Roman numeral for 500. Yes, D. Very good. Then what is the Roman numeral for 9? Can I write 10 minus 1? 10 minus 1. Yes. What is the value of 10? X minus I. So how to write like this? Ix. Smaller symbol will be placed before the larger one. Yes. So Ix. Roman numeral for 9 is Ix. Roman numeral for 500 is D. Now add all together. Dix. So the answer is Dix. Roman numeral for 509 is Dix. So 509, you split that. 500 plus 9. Then Roman numeral for 500 is D. For Roman numeral for 9 is Ix. Now add all together. Dix. Shall we move on to the next one? 179. 179. Split this. 100 plus 70 plus 9. 100 plus 70 plus 9. You know the Roman numeral for 100, right, children? Now tell me, what is the Roman numeral for 100? Yes, C. Very good. Then, what is the Roman numeral for 70? Shall we write 50 plus 2? 50 plus 20? Yes, what is the Roman numeral for 50? So, 50 plus 20. Roman numeral for 50 is L and 20. So, 10 plus 10. X. So, C plus L. XX. For Roman numeral for 70 is LXX. What is the Roman numeral for 9? Yes, IX. 10 minus 1 is 9. So X minus I, that means IX. Roman numeral for 9 is IX. Now add all together. CLXX IX. CLXX IX. I'm repeating it one more time. 179. Split this. Expanded form. 100 plus 70 plus 9. Roman numeral for 100 is C. Roman numeral for 70. 50 plus 20. So 50 Roman numeral is L. For 20 XX. Plus Roman numeral for 9 is IX. Now add all together. CLXXIX. Clear, children? See these sums, you have to copy everything in your notebook. Yes, you have to copy everything in your notebook. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Next, shall we move on to the next one? Copy this in your notebook. Convert the following Roman numerals to Indo-Arabic numerals. Now, it has been given in Roman numerals. Now, we are going to change that into Indo-Arabic numerals. What do you mean by Indo-Arabic numerals? Numbers from 1 to 9 is Indo-Arabic numerals, right? Shall we see the first one? Convert the following Roman numerals to Indo-Arabic numerals. A, X, I, V. X, I, V. See, in this, smaller one is in between the two larger one, right? So, what you have to do? The smaller one is so in that case, just split that. X plus IV. X plus IV. You're going to subtract the smaller one from the bigger one which is placed after it. Which is placed after it? See, this one is, bigger one is placed after it, right? So, you're going to subtract this IV. Yes? Now add all together. X plus IV. First split this. X plus IV. Now what you're going to do? What is the value of X? Value of X is Value of x is 10 and IV. So if the smaller one is placed before the larger one, what you have to do? So you're going to subtract the smaller one from the bigger one, right? V minus I. What is the value of V? 5 minus 1. So the 5 minus 1 is 4. Now add all together. 10 plus 4, 14. Got it, children? Shall we see one more time? X, I, V. Now split this. 10 plus X plus I, V. Now value of X is 10 plus IV is 4. Then add all together. 10 plus 4, 14. Next one. Second one. X, C, V, I. X, C, V, I. Now shall we write like this? XC plus VII. XC plus VII. Now what is the value? If the smaller one is placed, see the value of C is greater, right? The value of C is 100 and value of X is 10. So what you have to do? You have to subtract the smaller one from the larger one. So 100 minus 10. 100 minus, see value of C is 100 minus 10 plus what is the value of V? 5 plus I 1. Again one more I 1. One more I 1. Now add all together. 100 minus 10 is 90. 100 minus 10 is 90 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So 90 plus 8, 98. XC, VII. Right? XC plus VII. You know the value of XC is 90. If the smaller one is placed before the larger one, you're going to subtract the smaller one from the larger one, right? So C minus X, that is 100 minus 10, 90 plus V, value of V is 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, 5 plus 3, 8. So 90 plus 8, 98. Shall we move on to the next one? C, D, V. C, D, V. Here also the smaller one is placed before the larger one. So now take that alone. CD plus V. CD plus V. If the smaller symbol is placed before the larger one, take that separately. CD plus V. Now what is the value of CD? If the smaller one is placed before the larger one, you are going to subtract, right? The smaller one from the larger one. So D minus C. What is the value of D? 500 minus what is the value of C? 100 plus what is the value of V? 5. So 500 minus 100 is 400 plus 5. 400 plus 5, 405. So one more time. C, D, V. CD plus V. So value of CD is 500 minus 100 plus 5. So 500 minus 100 is 400 plus 5. 405. D sum C, M, L, X, V, I. Here also the smaller one is placed before the larger one, right? So take that separately. CM plus add all together L, X plus VI. L, X plus VI. Now we are going to see the value of CM. Now if the smaller one is placed before the larger one, what you have to do? You are going to subtract the smaller one from the larger one, right? Which is the larger one? M minus smaller one C. So M minus C. So what is the value of M? 1000 minus, what is the value of C? 100. 1000 minus 100 plus L. What is the value of L? Yes, 50 plus X. What is the value of X? If the smaller one is placed after the larger one, you can add that, right? So 50 plus, what is the value of X? 10. Again one more X, 10. And VI, what is the value of VI? If the smaller one is placed after the larger one, you can add that directly, right? So V plus I. So value of V is 5 plus I is 1. 5 plus 1. If the smaller one is placed after the larger one, you can add that. If it is placed before that, you are going to subtract that. Yes. So value of V is 5 plus value of I is 1. Now 1000 minus 100, 900 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5 plus 1, 6. Now add and tell me the answer now, children. 900 plus 50, 950 plus 20, 970 plus 6, 976. Shall we see one more time? C, M, L, X, X, V, I. CM plus LXX plus VI. So how to write CM? M minus C, that means 1000 minus 100 plus value of L is 50, value of X is 10 plus 10, X is 10, one more 10, one more X, so 10 plus VI. If the smaller one is placed after the larger one, you can add that directly. So 5 plus 1, 900 plus 50 plus 20 plus 6. So 976. Shall we move on to the next one? Copy, children, till this. E sum D C C I. D C C I. Now see here, the smaller one is placed after the larger one, right? So you can add that directly. So D plus C plus C plus I. So shall we see the value of D? If the smaller one is placed after the larger one, you can add that directly, right? So D C C I. Add that D plus C plus C plus I. What is the value of D? Yes, 500. Value of D is 500 plus what is the value of C? 100. Very good, children. And what is the value of C again? 100. And what is the value of I? 1. Now add and tell me the answer now, children. 500 plus 100, 600 plus 100, 700 plus 1, 701. So the answer is 701. I'm repeating it one more time. D, C, C, I. So now, if the smaller one is placed after the larger one, add all together D plus C plus C plus I. Value of D is 500. Value of C is 100. Again, value of C is 100 plus I. Value of I is 1. Add all together 500 plus 100, 600 plus 100, 700 plus 1, 701. So next one, C, M, X, V. C, M, X, V. See here, the smaller one is placed before the larger one. Let's take that separately. C, M plus X plus V. Value of X is more, right? So X plus V. What is the value of CM? Shall we write like this? M minus C. If the smaller one is placed before the larger one, you are going to subtract the smaller one from the larger one, right? So value of M is 1000 minus value of C is 100 plus what is the value of X? 10. Value of X is 10. And what is the value of V? 5. Value of V is 5. So 1000 minus 100 is, what is the value of 1000 minus 100? 900 plus 10 plus 5. Add and tell me the answer now, children. 900 plus 10, 910 plus 5, 915. Answer is 915. I'm repeating it one more time. CMXV. CMXV. So C value, CM, smaller one is placed before the larger one. So CM plus X plus V. So CM 1000 minus 100 plus X. Value of X is 10 plus 5. 1000 minus 100 is 900 plus 10 plus 5. So add now 915. Next one. Copy this, children. I. See here, the smaller one is placed after the larger one, right? So now add all together. L plus I plus I plus I. You can like this. L plus I. What is the value of L? Now tell me the value of L. Yes, 50 plus I. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Value of 1I is 1. Again one more I plus 1. Again one more I plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Now add and tell me the answer now, children. 50 plus 3. Yes, 53. 50 plus 3, 53. So value of L I is 53. So L plus I. Value of L is 50 plus I is 3. So 50 plus 3, 53. Head sum D, C, I. Here also the smaller one is placed after the larger one, right? C is placed after D. So you can add directly. DC plus I. Add all. DC, I. What is the value of DC? Value of D is, if the smaller one is placed after the larger one, you can add that, right? So D plus C. D value of D is 500 plus value of C is 100. So 500 plus 100 plus value of I is 2. Now add all together. 500 plus 100, 600 plus 2. So 600 plus 2, 602. So DC I. DC plus I. Value of DC is 500 plus 100. Why we are adding here? Because the smaller one is placed after the larger one, right? So we can add that D plus C. 500 plus 100 plus I. Value of I is 2. So 500 plus 100, 600 plus 2. 602. Now I have given one worksheet. Finish the worksheet, children. So choose the correct answer. The Indo-Arabic numeral for LII is dash. The Indo-Arabic numeral for DCC is dash. 4 can be written in Roman numeral as I. Whether it is true or false. The Roman numeral for 102 is, the Indo-Arabic numeral for LX is dash. Convert the following Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic numbers. First one CD, second one XLIX, third one LII. Finish the worksheet, children. See you in the next class. Thank you.